Sorry about the interruption. I had to talk to a client real quick. Real nice old lady in the wheelchair. Support all you senior citizens, man. That lady has one leg, or she got a prosthetic leg, man, but she works harder in her yard than most men I know. Someone go down there and help her get some stuff done around the house. Oh, there goes my light. That's what you're doing, you know. More power to you. It's a level we all want to be at some point, right? We get all our vehicles and parts for free, sponsors, merch, etc. Gotta start somewhere though. That's why you make sure you support the channel and smash like and subscribe button. There's gonna be plenty more content like this. Make sure everything's staying put. Wires feel good. This fan's helping out. I need to get my temp gun so I know exactly what I'm dealing with. The outdoor temperature is 91 degrees Fahrenheit. It's typical Florida weather for you. It feels more like 100 though. Batteries feel good. Gonna keep running. Redcat shredder, 1/5 scale, monster truggy. This was a kit build, slider kit. All the parts came from different parts of the country. I'm not pushing it too hard because I don't know what this gearing can handle with this higher kV motor. It's 2250 kV. Stock motor is 1300 kV though. You can see the size of that pinion. I ain't messing around. All my vehicles are over geared. I'm not gonna say what size yet because I'm still figuring it out. But yeah. Geared to do 60 on 4S. Yeah, I said 4S. 60 miles per hour on 4S, fifth scale. I only build wild animals. Well, I get it. A lot of people want to go to 6S, and that's cool. I said that stock motor can handle 8S. If that's the route you want to go, 1300 kV. I've seen it done. You're going to have to upgrade that speed control, obviously. I'll repeat, that stock Redcat 1300 kV motor can handle 8S. I got that fan set up. It's keeping that adapter connectors cool and the batteries. Get my temp gun, I'll be right back. Hold. 118 Fahrenheit, that's good. As high as I'm geared. I just took the fan off the top of an old speed control I had sitting around. Let's see what this connector says. 105, it's not bad. Fan came out of a laptop, sorry, not a fan. Heat sink out of a old desktop computer. Those are gold mines, man, I swear. Break one of them down. Battery, that's decent. speed control. Not bad. Let it cool off a minute. Chassis still in perfect condition. No scrapes yet.